How to show game activity in Discord mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can show our game activity on Discord mobile. So let's begin with the process, but before that don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon and then turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to show the game activity status on your Discord mobile, just launch your Discord application onto your device and wait for the Discord to be loaded onto your phone. After you're here, just get back and you're just gonna go to the U tab at the bottom right, which is your profile. After that, you'll be finding a gear icon at the top right corner. Just click on it. And then after going to the settings, you're gonna locate the option called privacy and safety on the third, and then you're gonna look up the option called activity status here. You're just gonna scroll down a bit until you're able to find the option called activity status, where you can share your detected activities with others. You're just gonna turn on this option, this toggle option. After that, after that is enabled, you're gonna show your game activity on Discord mobile just like that. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to show your game activity on Discord mobile. Otherwise, you may just head over back, and then on your profile, you can easily find the option called add status. And under add status, you're gonna add up your activity like what the game you're playing at the moment. So just follow the process, add up your activity here. You may also set the duration if you want, and that should do it. So therefore, follow the steps in order to show your activity status, like what game you're playing in Discord. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.